Need Repipe Services in St Albert? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know outdated pipes can cause leaks, rust-coloured water, and low water pressure, problems that only get worse over time. Our expert Repipe Services replace aging pipes with durable PEX or copper, improving water quality and system efficiency. Whether you're upgrading from Poly B or dealing with corrosion, we ensure a seamless process with minimal disruption. As a trusted local provider in St Albert, we understand the area's unique plumbing needs and provide tailored solutions for lasting results. Want to learn more? Keep watching to see why homeowners trust Kingstree Plumbing for professional repipe services in St Albert.